Jasmy for the most part acquired roughly 4.08% inside the kind of truly most recent 24 hours, or so they truly thought, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The EMA 50, especially explicitly, is as of now at $0.007 in a kind of sort of significant manner and a very huge manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin essentially explicitly is drifting at $87,003,429, which in every practical sense, explicitly is genuinely huge. Jasmy in a real sense generally has its actually genuinely next obstruction at $0.006 in an unpretentious manner, or so they fundamentally thought. 26 June 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now, or for actually genuinely 1 week from now, and especially sort of attempt to answer these habitually sort of certainly sought clarification on some things, facts. What explicitly is most certainly transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin? Certainly in a real sense is Jasmy a genuinely wise venture, by and large truly in opposition to prevalent thinking in an exceptionally significant manner. Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, or so they basically really thought in an unobtrusive manner. Yet, prior to jumping truly profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, entirely let us most certainly discuss the especially genuinely current economic situations, so 26 June 2023. In this video we will explicitly basically walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now, or for especially exceptionally 1 week from now, and basically sincerely attempt to answer these habitually by and large sort of gotten clarification on pressing issues, facts. What especially truly is momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin? Quite is Jasmy a kind of genuinely wise speculation, which in a real sense for the most part is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there explicitly most certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the quite whole digital money market to $1,186,659,470,300, or so they by and large thought, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The sort of really all-out exchanging volume for the most part basically remains at $32,396,217,087 in an unobtrusive manner, which certainly is very critical. Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of especially has a strength of 16.33%. Most certainly especially in opposition to prevalent thinking in a genuinely huge manner, which for the most part especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a decay of 0.52%, which essentially is very huge in a huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically fundamentally has seen a value lessening of 0.7%. Coming to $1,893.83 during the past 24 hours in a reasonably in every practical sense, significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $239.88 following a value change of 0.47% inside a similar time period, showing how the in every practical sense, truly complete exchanging volume outrageously remains at $32,396,217,087 in an unpretentious manner, or so they generally thought. XRP, the very all goals and purposes local coin of XRP especially really is somewhere near 1.1 and presently exchanging at 49 cents in an unpretentious manner in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way, or so they essentially thought. These occasions basically show that the market in every practical sense truly is going in an especially descending course for pretty exceptionally present moment, exhibiting that the kind of beautiful complete exchanging volume essentially all things considered remains at $32,396,217,087 in an entirely of enormous way in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, an especially fundamentally broad kind of especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, So the kind of especially all-out exchanging volume essentially by and large stands at $32,396,217,087 in an unobtrusive manner, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing in opposition basically truly are significant specialized pointers used to generally in every practical sense recognize certainly especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which in every practical sense especially shows that market examination over the very kind of last 24 hours. There fundamentally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the essentially really whole digital currency market to $1,186,659,470,300, especially exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Support generally explicitly is a level at which purchasers entirely become pretty much more actually truly dynamic, and for the most part, truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly is genuinely critical in a huge manner. Similarly, obstruction certainly in every practical sense is a level at which vendors in every way that really matters move entirely all expectations and purposes dynamic and for the most part explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how which especially in every way that really matters brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a decay of 0.52%, which by and large is genuinely huge, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Following in every practical sense, most certainly are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin execution. The very all things considered, current Jasmy coin cost certainly in every way that really matters is $0.007 with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the extremely beyond 24 hours. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. Or so they in a real sense thought. Right now, Jasmy generally is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars. Or so they thought. Or so they in every practical sense thought. Jasmy coin value examination Jasmy cost investigation for 26 June 2023. Inside a very essentially everyday time span for the most part, certainly made sense of beneath, especially by and large further appearance, how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin generally certainly is drifting at $87,003,429 in an unpretentious manner, in opposition to mainstream thinking. We utilize certainly truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving kind of certainly normal combination and difference, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including actually truly straightforward, moving commonly in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and outstanding moving extremely kind of normal, EMA, to generally fundamentally examine the future development of the Jasmy coin, exhibiting how support explicitly is a level at which